welcome to the introduction session on data science using Python. This video is brought to you by Analytics Finishing School. So let's start. Okay, Python, I guess it's a most commonly used name. I'm sure most of the people might already be acquainted with Python in some or the other form. Okay, so Python is a widely used high-level general-purpose interpreted dynamic programming language. What does it exactly mean when we say it's widely used high-level general purpose? It's more like Python is used not just for data analytics and data mining operations, but it also comes handy when you're sort of trying to code program and you want to check your algorithm and it needs to be done really fast, right? So Python is sort of used as an alternate languages in cases or implementations when you need to have a quick look at the computational time or the complexity of your algorithm, given it's fast. So why it's called a high-level general purpose? Because it's like really fast to implement the set of functionalities you'd probably be needing if you were actually implementing it through C++ or Java. So that's why it's high-level general purpose and interpreted dynamic programming language. Okay. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming or procedural styles. Okay. So Python is a mixed bag sort of programming language. It actually combines object-oriented paradigms and also imperative and functional programming and procedural styles. Okay, so it's kind of a multiple combination framework where you can use all of it. The Python course overview, what should we be expecting? So first, to begin with, it'll start with introduction to Python. It would cover some of the important things, basic frameworks of Python. It would also be discussing about variables and some of the important functions, control flow and data structures in Python. Explore deeper with Python. We intend to cover some of the basic principles of object-oriented programming, how exactly Python follows the object-oriented programming principles. With that, we also intend to address how should we actually be generating Python scripts. It's something that I've personally seen a lot of developers full-time, part-time, working for MNCs, working for startups, not really sure when it comes to actually script building. Okay, so that's why I personally feel this is going to be a very good learning experience, because besides just the analytics part, we are also helping you run, build, understand Python scripts. We're also going to be at this stage handling, we'll also be handling string problems and string-based operations when we'll be diving deeper into Python. The next important thing that we will be taking is scientific computation tools. In that, we intend to address NumPy. I guess most of you might have heard of that tool for sure. It's kind of like really handy scientific computation tools when it comes to Python. For data visualization, we're going to be using Seaborn, and we're also going to be using Matplotlib. So these are some of the libraries we're going to be discussing as we proceed towards our classes. So it's okay again if the things are not making much of an obvious sense here at this point of time. Data manipulation with Pandas is also part of the course series. We are also doing data preprocessing, fundamentals of statistics, and data science with Python machine learning. I just sort of want to bring attention here at this particular section. When I say data science with Python machine learning, we are going to be covering linear logistic regressions. We're going to be discussing decision trees. We're again going to be discussing k-means clustering, and we will also be seeing how the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, all of it fits with Python along with their frameworks, okay? Other than that, we have a final case study. As most of our courses, you're going to have real-time experience of an industry project. It's going to help you understand where exactly you can put what, and this way you'll help enhance your skill set to certain new levels that should be expected out of the final case study project, okay? Last but not least, other than this, we are also intending to have a small add-on with this course, and that is useful resources section. In this section, we will be helping students to sort of get ready and brush them for the interview sessions. Other than that, we are also going to help students or entrepreneurs who are really interested in building products in this domain. So they are also welcome to join hands, and we'd help build them some products that could be really fascinating and also brings revenue for their company. We're also intending to address the problem statement, which is sort of really crucial and important. That how can we exactly think like data scientists, right? Soon as you have the data, what kind of a thinking you should be possessing, and then how exactly that thinking should be interpolated or should be extrapolated or should be, projected with Python is going to be the core feature. Having said that, we are also going to be giving suggestions as to how you can start building your own personal portfolio. That'll sort of give you a big confidence, when you have when you have the online presence, you're all confident and much more sure about your skill set, right? Other than that, we're going to give you links to certain websites and connect you with people who are going to help you build your skills, your resume, and other sections. Thank you.